Here we are going to study how to find out the cube root of any given number in 2 seconds. It's easy to find with the help of factors which is already taught to you. Now in 2 seconds if you want to find out the cube root, you don't want to take out the entire factor, still you can find out. So we are going to study that here. Divide the given number 9261 from the unit place, divide into 3. First 3, take it as one part. If you have another 3, you should have taken it another part. You have only one left, leave it. So from the unit place, start 3 numbers, divide into 3 parts. Now you have 9261. The first part when you see, this is the first part and this is the second part. The first part when you see, you have 1 in the unit place. And you all know that cube of 1 is always 1. So when you are finding out the cube root of 9261, you'll have 2 numbers, one in the unit place, other in the tens place. As it is 1 in the unit place, you'll get here 1. Now see what will come in the tens place. To find out what will come in the tens place, first write down cube of 1, that is 1, cube of 2, that is 2 cube is 8, then 3 cube, that is 27. When you observe all these 3, you'll find that 9, which is the second part, 9 comes between 8 and 27, between these 2 parts, and you are going to select the second part from here. Which is minimum? Out of this, 8 is minimum, which is cube of 2. So 8 is minimum out of 8 and 27, which is cube of 2. Here you will get 21. That is, cube root of the given number is 21. Next question. By estimation method, how to find out the cube root of the given number. First, divide into 2 parts. The first part with the 3 numbers, you are left with 2 more. Leave it as it is. This is the first part and this is the second part here. As I have told you before, you have to see the unit place and you know that 4 cube is always 4. We have already studied that. So cube root of 13824, you have to write unit and tenth place. As 4 is here, the cube root of 4 will be 4. So in the unit place, you will get 4. And for the second part, you have to find out 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Again this 13, which you find that it is between 8 and 27. Out of them, 8 is smaller number and it is cube of 2. So in the place, tens place, you'll get here 2. So the cube root of 13,824 is 24. Now we have third question here. 15,625. First part, divide into 2 parts. So the first part with 625, that's the first part. The second part is 15. So when you have to find out the cube root of 15,625, write there unit and tens place, what will come in unit and what will come in tens place. Start with unit. As it is having 5 in the unit place, you will get here also 5. Check for the tens place. It is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. It's 1, it's 8, it's 27. Again 15 comes between 8 and 27. And out of 8 and 27, 8 is smaller, which is cube of 2. That means in the unit tens place also you will get 25. It will become, it's not necessary it will come between 8 and 27 always. There are 3 questions what we have done. It is between 8 and 27. It can be beyond it depending upon the number which is here. Let's do the fourth question. As I have told you before, divide into 2 parts. That's one part with the 3 numbers. This is first part. Second part, again you have 3 numbers here. as we have done with 1 and 2. Now you have 3 numbers here in the second part also. Method will be exactly same. It is cube root of the given number 140608 is equal to, you have to decide for unit and tens place. As for unit place, it is told you have to see the last number. If you have 8, 8 cube always give you 2. So 8 gives you 2. So unit place is already decided. We have to see for the tens place, which is 140 this time. You can start with 1 cube. If you don't want, we know that the number is greater. You can also start from 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. Still it is small. Then you can think of 6 cube is 216. I think now it's greater than 140, and 216 is greater than 140. That shows when you check it out that it is between 125 and 216. What is 140? It is between 125 and 216. Out of that, the smaller is 125, and 5 is the number which is cubed to get 125. So this place will be taken by 5. Here you have 8 questions. Use estimation method to solve all the 8 questions. And the first thing, divide each number into 2 parts and solve the questions. Here 3 digits are there, divided into 2 parts. One part I've underlined, and find out the rest of it. And check the scores after finding out the answers.